Alright guys, so welcome to another Efsane video. Now in today's video we're going to be talking about Efsane network. Alright, so this is the latest airdrop that is going viral everywhere, and I mean viral. Alright, so I'm going to point out some few things you need to know about this airdrop, and also how you can easily get to utilize this airdrop for yourself. Alright, now, this video is majorly going to be about me explaining every single thing step by step. I'll review every single thing that I can possibly review about this airdrop for you guys. All right. So this airdrop basically is in free airdrop. All right, where you get rewards with zero investment. You basically are not putting any money into this airdrop, and this airdrop is free for everyone. And also, we are expecting a huge update about this airdrop on the 29th of July 2025. All right, now also, if you basically want to get um free sign up bonus, there's a free sign up bonus for new users. All right, so if you're a new user, you can get up to $12 free sign up bonus. You can check right here now that this is a very interesting empty account. This is a brand new account which I created, and the fun fact about this is that as a new user you can get up to 2 EFS token. Now this EFS token is basically their official token which is going to be launched as of any time from now. All right, so you are going to be able to get these 2 EFS token worth either $12 or up to $6. It depends on the account you actually register. All right, I'll provide a link of the airdrop for you guys in the description of this video. You can easily get access to it. You can automatically make use of it and create your own account. Now I will quickly like to explain every single thing that I possibly would love to share with you guys today, so you can get every single update about this airdrop. All right, now the airdrop is built in a simple way where you can basically get access to it both from Telegram, anywhere in general. You see the link, and like I said, it's very easy to use. It's very straightforward to use. Now for a new user, if you actually create an account, you just have to come over and click on the sign in session every 24 hours. These are just simple tasks you basically need to participate to get some gems. All right, so they offer you the options to have access to their gems. So you can see the available amount of gems and then the frozen amount of gems that I currently have right now. So if you have a frozen amount of gem, all right, stay with that amount of gem. Just keep on signing in every single day. They're going to unlock that gem for you, and it's going to add up to your balance. And also, keep it in mind that these gems are going to be able to convert to the EFS token. All right, now like I told you guys, a new account gets over $6 to $12, and you can see on my account right here I have over $6.3, and this is available for me under the frozen EFS token. Now the frozen EFS token will be unlocked to you guys based on their launch. All right, based on their launch. Now if you are basically new to the Efsane airdrop, the link is going to be provided for you. Now let me share with you guys what to basically do and how can you actually benefit from this airdrop. It's very simple. All right, so there are a few things you are going to be doing right here. Now you can either follow them on their Efsane Anet network, all right, which automatically provides you all the predictions, all the rewards and gems, and also participation on their real-time informations about the network. So for you to do that, you see this option where they say community. You can actually come over here and then become a member by following them, follow their community, just be in their community and get more information about the network. All right, get more information about how every single thing is. Right over here are posts and recommendations and every other single thing. But if you click on this three dotted line, you're going to be seeing where they say Efsane Anet. All right, if you click on this Efsane Anet, this automatically gets to lead you to a new brand page where they are going to brand you, show you things you basically would love to see. Now let me explain some few things right over here for you. Efsane has this reward open up to people where you basically come over here, you take your own opinion, and if that opinion goes correctly, you earn points, you earn rewards from it. All right, so this is how it works. This is how the Efsane Anet works. All right, now this is basically my account right over here. You can basically see right here that this is a post on the Efsane Anet, and right over here they say we XRP USDT close above critical resistance of over 3.79 till If you check on the post, you're going to see every single thing. If you check on the post, you're going to see every single thing, even the votes, all right, till July 2025, till July 25th of 2025, marking a potential breakout in market sentiment. All right, now you can see every single post right here, and a lot of people were saying no. So a lot of people did not go up with this, and you can see total amount of people, total amount that have been invested into the opinion of saying no on the Efsane network. So if this whole narrative right here goes correctly, all these people right here, they have a potential amount to win. All right, they have a potential amount to win, and you as well can also like participate. If you say no, you come over here, you stake the amount of USDT you want to say no. You can easily like stake the amount of USDT you want to say no. You can just put in the amount of USDT, but you have to fund your account on this section, because this one particularly, this is the Efsane Airdrop. This one provides you opportunities to make money faster, but this is not the airdrop. All right, this one is just like an opportunity where you go over and you make money from the Airdrop section. All right, if you come down, you get to see other questions which are being asked. So these are opinion that matters, and you make money from it. So these are all. If you can click on the hot, where you get opinions on hot topics and other things. News, these are newest, or these are the newest ones. And if you want about cryptocurrency, you can click on the cryptocurrency and you can get to see right here. So you can either go against the opinion or you follow the opinion. All right, what is your thought? You can basically go against the opinion or you go with the opinion, and if it goes well, you earn rewards and you earn points. So right here they have the user's authorization. So this is the Efsane Airdrop request following permission. So you have to like grant access to this permission. By clicking on the allow, you automatically allow Efsane to grant you access to this on permission, and also your nickname, every single thing is going to be set. All you have to just basically do is just for you to like provide some of your informations, and you are going to log in into your own account again right over from here. All right, so once you log in into your account from here, then you are granting them access, all right, to like give you the reward access. So this is the reward menu. You can basically see right here, you click on the reward and you have access to request for that permission. Now if you come to the system section, you also get to like see this menu. This is the user's authorization as well, where you also have to like accept, but mind you have to like have your login secured. This is an opportunity for you to make money. If you automatically do not safeguard your login password and information, you can lose access to most of the funds you are going to be generating from here. Now aside you making money from all this, all right, from both the airdrop and your opinion, all right, there are other ways you can make money from here, which I would like to share with you guys. All right, now Efsane have actually provided a mean for you guys where you can automatically get full access to invite members to your own account. When I mean full access to invite members to your own account, I mean when you invite someone into your own account, you earn some points, all right, and these points, they really matters. All right, they really matters. And for you to actually like get full access to those points, I'm going to show you guys every single thing. Let me go back. All right, now for instance, if I come to my home session right over here and I click on the spot, I initially have over $6 on my account. But if I come to where they say invitation rewards and I click on this invitation rewards, I have not referred anybody. You can see this is a brand new account right over here. Just copy out your invite link and refer anybody. It doesn't even actually matter. Just make sure to refer anybody that is around you. All right, share your invite link with them, and once you get people to join into this Efsane network with your invite link, you earn gems. These gems, like I told you guys, can be converted. Now this is the process where you can actually like convert these gems. Also update videos about how to convert these gems are going to be coming up, but I'm just going to show you guys a brief way. So just come to the flash swap right over here, where you're basically going to be seeing menu to convert your gems into the Efsane token. I want to get full information about this. Stick around, watch this video to the ending, and also give me a follow. I will give you guys more information about this. All right, so you can follow their official channel. You can log into your account 3 times and get more rewards. All right, so you have to basically invite your friends. You have to be part of the Efsane network. You have to know how to use them Very well. This particular airdrop, like I told you guys, does not require your money. But if you want where your opinion actually matters, you go to this three dotted line, you make sure to join in on the Efsane Airdrop, and you're basically going to get access to where you get your opinions that matter. So you're basically going to be dropping out your opinion, your suggestion, and you get paid for your suggestion. All right. So it depends. And if you want to make money from this kind of airdrop, it is currently active and you're going to generate profit from it. All right.